Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail storage full but no emails, step by step. Sometimes Gmail shows storage full even when your inbox looks empty. This full guide for 2026 will help you identify hidden storage usage and free up space safely. First, go to your Google account storage page, click your profile, manage your Google account, storage. Check how storage is distributed across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Even if your inbox looks empty, archived emails in all mail or messages in trash and spam can take up space. Search for emails with large attachments using has.attachment larger.10 megabytes. Delete unnecessary emails or save attachments elsewhere. Check Google Drive and Google Photos for large files. Deleting or moving them frees Gmail storage. Empty trash and spam folders to permanently remove deleted emails. Use Google One Storage Manager to clean up unnecessary files easily. If needed, consider upgrading Google One for more space. Regularly check all mail, trash, and spam. Delete unnecessary attachments and large files. Archive emails selectively and use Drive for big documents. And yeah, that's how to fix Gmail storage full but no emails step by step in 2026. If this helped you reclaim space and organize your account, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.